How to log into your Mi Fitness account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to log into your Xiaomi Fitness account. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is download the Mi Fitness app from Google Play Store and just open it up. And once you've opened up the app, you should not be logged in, so you will be landed on the homepage like this. But in order to log in, you can just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, then tap on the sign in button at the top. From here, you'll be taken directly to the sign in page. So you're going to have to log into the app using your Xiaomi account. So if you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and create one by tapping on create account. And if you do have an account, just go ahead and enter your email address. Then just go ahead and enter your password that's connected to your account. Click on I agree and then tap on sign in. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it. So if you tap on forgot password, you can enter your email or phone number to recover your account. So that's how you basically log into the Xiaomi Fitness app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.